Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a glass screen protector that you use for your Switch. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand, and this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. So you can see in the bottom right here, they do probably got some of the specs and features on here. And for the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 3 of them. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here it basically actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So pretty much inside they do probably got 3 of these screen protectors. But for this test we only wanted them. And then right here they do probably got some accessories. So we just open up. Inside they do probably got the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up. And then right here they probably got some wet wipe and dry wipes. And then right here they probably got some stickers or tape that's used to remove any dust that's on the actual product before you guys actually apply it. And also inside they do probably got some microfiber cloth that's used to wipe down the product if you guys do need to. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let's take out the screen protector to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see how clear the actual screen protector is when you guys actually use it. And when you guys feel the material that's on here, it's actually super durable. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually apply this on to show you guys how to apply it on. And I will come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so we got everything set up right here. So first thing I want to do is use a wet wipe to wipe it down. Alright, so once you guys do that, you can use a dry wipe to wipe it clean. Alright, so once you guys do that, then you guys apply it on. Because I just read for this part here, they mentioned how you do not want to use this to actually stick it on to remove dust. So if there is any dust that's on here, you guys can use this part right here to wipe it off. Unless if it's really bad, then you can probably use this as a last resort. Alright, so everything looks good. Let's apply it on. So you basically want to peel out the bottom part right here. You just want to stick it on. And you guys want to let go. Once you guys have correct, you just want to push it down. And just let it do its own thing. If there's any part that has a little bit of bubble, you guys can use your finger to kind of fix it. And then once you guys fix all the bubbles on here, you can peel out the top part. And you guys are basically all set. So once you guys put it on, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys were to turn on the game, let's take this part out. Here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. So you see the graphic on here is not affected once you guys do apply it on. And if you guys want to touch on here, you definitely can. But for this game, there's nothing for me to touch. So if I go back to the home page, if I want to touch stuff on here, you can see it definitely does work. So definitely applying the screen protector will not affect anything on here. In terms of the sensitivity or anything on here, everything works pretty well. So that is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see very easy and very simple for us to set it up. And it actually works pretty well. So that way you guys do have an extra layer of protection for your screen, for your Switch. Welcome back guys. So nice a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So the whole installation process and everything wasn't that hard. It's actually pretty easy. Once you guys use the wet wipe, the dry wipe, and the sticker option, then you guys apply the screen protector on. And then see, once you guys apply the product on, the screen is actually still sensitive even with the screen protector on. So nothing will be affected once you guys do put it on. And I do want to mention for the one that we got right here is only compatible with the OLED screen version. If you guys do have like the original version or the light option, this probably won't work for that option. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality glass screen protector that you can use for extra protection for your Switch, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.